Tactical Airsoft here. So what we're gonna do today is for
Hello there.
our first match today, we're gonna do VIP, and as my good buddy Caleb calls it, hostage. And as we start the match, we're waiting for my buddy Alex to get here. Xander will show up here very soon, and so we're gonna start the match. But right now, as the host here, Joseph. Special thanks to him for having us out here. Let's just say that today's gonna be fun, and we'll see you guys in a minute.
Alright, I think so.
You know what? He's doing that. I really.
All right, Ethan, I'm gonna blow the whistle.
Really
Hold on, so
I want to steer for some odd reason.
I'm gonna blow the whistle, okay?
hold on, Cal.
Automatic.
Let's figure out the control. So I think what we do, we follow the trail down and around, and take a long way around,
Okay.
and that'll just be our path.
Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Right up here.
Yeah.
Joseph's climbing up that dirt mound.
Thank you, Caleb.
Contact.
Why are you running?
No running, Cal.
You're right by.
I'm an old man.
This is why I want to steer. You okay? Yeah.
Alright, kneel down. For like 10 seconds.
Caleb, we're all over here, by the way.
I know. I'm trying to see where he is. Come on, let's go, Sonny!
Can you tell what president I'm acting as? Joe Biden.
There you go.
Got it?
Alright, Caleb, keep Sorry, I'm gonna go try and go around.
Okay.
I just got hit. Cameraman down. Cameraman down. Someone hit me.
No, back in my day, we just charged the fucking enemy.
Fuck, my gun ain't even shooting at all.
It's a comedic.
How do you fucking use a button? You suck. It's not charged, actually. So, Foxtrot 406, Foxtrot 406, taking fire from the northeast. I repeat, coming from the northeast.
Come here, Sonny!
One tango. I repeat, one tango. Hot
Come
copy.
that bag of yours, boy.
These things break on impact to help you know that. If you
Grandpa don't want to wait no longer. Let's fucking go!
Get behind cover. Get behind cover. That's
I
frozen.
think we should pull out of them.
They're retreating. There. They're retreating.
Where am I going?
They're coming back.
Sonny
They're coming
boy?
back.
He's running down.
No running.
No running.
Ouch. Jesus.
Yo,
fucking
big
sticks
son of a
everywhere.
blood.
Bibbidi bop bop bumbleclot.
Contact, 2 o'clock right!
Watch out for that.
Requesting evac. Requesting evac. Coordinates 1275.909er. We won?